Hi friends, welcome to Sarkandron LDC classes. In this class we are going to see some questions related labor laws. Okay, let us start the class. Name the machinery formed in railways to maintain contact with organized labor to resolve dispute and differences arising between labor and administration. Permanent negotiating machinery. What are the three levels where meeting of PNM are held? The railway board level, second zonal level, third one divisional level. Name the act which aims prompt and regular payment of wages without any arbitrary deductions. 1936, the Payment of Wages Act 1936. What are the extent of deductions permitted from wages of employees as per the Payment of Wages Act? 75% of wages towards cooperative societies and 50% of wages in other cases shall not exceed. Name the act made to ensure prevention of exploitation of unorganized labor. The Minimum Wages Act 1948. When was the Workmen's Compensation Act enforced? 1st July 1924. What is the duration a personal injury caused as a result of accident is compensated in payment under the Employees Compensation Act? Total or partial disablement of worker for a period exceeding 3 days. What is the ceiling for X criteria compensation under ECA under section 124 of Railways Act 1989? Rupees 25 lakh. What is the compensation under the ECA in case of death of a railway employee? 50% of wages multiplied by age factor or rupees 1,20,000, whichever is more. When did the Factories Act 1948 come into effect? 1st April 1949. What is the number of workers required to constitute a factory? 10 for factories with power and 20 workers for place without power. How many women should be employed in a factory for provision of creches for children of women employees? 30. Name the law for investigation and settlement of disputes in railways. The Industrial Dispute Act 1947. When was the Trade Unions Act 1926 passed? 1st June 1927. How many persons can form an association and get registration of trade union? 7 or more. Name the online grievances redressal machinery for railways. Nivaran. What is the maximum period for redressal for grievances in Nivaran? 30 days. What is the leave salary paid in IODS cases? For first 120 days as that on LAP and for remaining period as that on LHAP. What are the rest rules for running staffs? 16 hours rest at headquarters and after completion of 8 hours rest at outstation. What is the standard hours of duty for different classes of employment of railway servant? 42 for intensive and 48 for continuous and 72 for EI per week hours. How much transport allowances paid to blind and orthopedically handicapped railway employees? Double the normal rate of transport allowances. Are women granted CCL for more than 30 days entitled for transport allowance? False. What is the basic difference in a strike and lockout? A strike is done by employees while lockout are done by the employer. How many days notice should be given before going to a strike in public service? 6 weeks. What are the rules and regulations for the layoff of employees? Industrial Dispute Act section 25F. After arranging fuel and light etc., on which basis should the canteen be run? On the basis of number, profit and no loss. On the basis of no profit and no loss. What are the hours of weekly work of employees under the Factory Act? Who is competent for increasing working hours? 48 hours. Chief Workshop Inspector can increase. Under what circumstances is it mandatory to open a baby care in factories? 30 women employees. What are the name of two factories? What are the name of two facilities to be given in the Factory Act? Canteen and bathroom. When appointment of welfare officer in a factory is mandatory, where 500 or more workers are employed. What is the full name of WCA? Workman Compensation Act 1936. If a worker died by accident due to consumption of alcohol, will he be compensated? True. Under the WC Act, the commissioner is appointed by the central government or the state government by state government. In what circumstances would the employer be liable to give retaliation despite the accident caused by the employee's own fault? On death. Whether an employee who retired as a painter working in a diesel shed and after 4 months of retirement he is suffering from TB, then is he eligible to give compensation? Yes, if sickness is due to railway work. To which authority and under what circumstances it is mandatory to give the information of the accident? Workshop inspector will be notified within 48 hours of the death of the employee or if the person is unable to work after the accident. An casual labor who is injured during the duty and who has been paid half a month under the Employees Compensation Act, is he entitled to get PLB? False. Who is responsible for implementing all labor laws? Central government. Under the Workshop Act 1948, who is appointed as the occupier of railway production units? Chief Workshop Manager. When did the Workshop Act 1948 come into effect? 1st April 1949. Who appoints the welfare inspector under the Workshop Act? State government. After how many years the workshop should be washed? 14 months later. After how many years doors and windows are painted on the inside of the workshop? 5 years. After 5 years. In the workshop, at least how far should be the place of drinking water, toilets, etc.? 6 meters. How much work should be done in the canteen and summer when the employees are working in the workshop? 250. At least how many employees who work in the workshop should be first aid box? 150. How many numbers of employees working in a workshop should be an ambulance room? 500. What is the number of employees in a factory should be the welfare officer? 500. What is the working hour per week under the Factory Act? 48 hours. What is the working hours per day under the Factory Act? 9 hours. Under the Factory Act, how much time can be taken break for a period of time without rest? No more than 5 hours. What rate is paid overtime when doing more than the fixed duties under the Factory Act? Double wages of ordinary wages. Under which factory women cannot be worked during the period 7 p.m. to 6 a.m. How much punishment can be given to the person responsible for not following the provisions given under the Factory Act? 2 years jail or 3 lakh rupees fine or both. Does the Industrial Dispute Act also apply to the officer? False. Under the Industrial Dispute Act, volume retirement comes in the category of retrenchment. False. Can an employer determine the 45 days wages period? No. Salary period will not be more than 30 days. What is the mandatory deduction that can be made under the Salary Payment Act from the salary of the employees? PF and GIS, income tax, P tax. Can the clerical staff be fined under the PW Act? False. Recovery of cooperative societies, how much deduction can be made from employee salary at one time? 75%. Whether the employee is in prescribed grade pay in the PB and how is governed by the Minimum Wages Payment Act? False. Trade Union Act was implemented with effect from 1926. Industrial Dispute Act was implemented with effect from 1947. Factory Act was implemented with effect from 1948. Minimum Wages Act implemented with effect from 1948. What is the maximum period for female workers can avail maternity leave under Maternity Benefit Act? 26 weeks. Which section of the Maternity Benefits Act 1961 provides that no employer shall knowingly employ a woman in any establishment during the 6 weeks immediately following the day of her delivery, miscarriage of medical termination of pregnancy? Section 4. As per provisions of Maternity Benefits Act, what type of work shall not be given to female employee before the date of her expected delivery? All of these means work involving long hours of standing, work which is likely to interface with her pregnancy, cause her miscarriage. All of is your answer. What age of child enabled to breaks of the prescribed duration for nursing the child as per the Maternity Benefit Act 1961? 15 months. What is the maximum imprisonment prescribed for contravention of the Maternity Benefit Act 1961? 1 year. Which section of Minimum Wages Act fixes the minimum time piece rate? Section 3(2). Section what of the Factories Act says about the definition for a factory? Option is your section 2(m). Which section of the Contract Labor or Regulation and Aviation Act 1970 enlists requirement of canteen? Section 16. What is the classified as employees as per the Employees Compensation Act 1923? All of these is your answer. Railway servant, seaman, crew of an aircraft. Which section under Equal Remuneration Act instructed equal remuneration to men and women workers for same work? Section 4. The term same work or work of similar nature is mentioned in the which act? Equal Remuneration Act 1976. The Workers' Compensation Act 1923 applies to which of the following? Factories, mines and railways. All of these your answer. Which section of Minimum Wages Act fixes the minimum rate of wages payable to employment in an employment? Section 3. The first Factories Act was enacted in 1881. Question I repeat. The first Factories Act was enacted in 1881. Which of the following is not included under the definition of wages given under the Payment of Wages Act 1936? Gratuity. What aspect of trade unions does the Trade Union Act 1926 enlists? Their rights, their responsibilities, their liabilities. All of these your answer. What type of works makes person engaged to be covered by the definition of workman as per the Industrial Dispute Act 1947? Skilled or unskilled manual work, supervisory work, technical work. All of these your answer. The person who mediates and promotes the settlement of industrial dispute is called as conciliation officer. What is the maximum age for being eligible as an child under the Child Labor and Regulation Act 1986? 14 years. Which section of the Child Labor Act 1986 defines the term child? Section 2(2). Section 49 of the Factories Act 1947 says about welfare officer. Okay friends, here we will see the some questions related our exams which is necessary for our social and welfare inspector exams. Okay, I hope you will read and understood in a better way. Okay, thank you.